Now I'm going to move in on the PLC program and discuss a little bit the program. This might be a little hard, but we'll get my fingers in here and my photographer here will zoom in. Basically, when you power up and power down, and I'll show you a power up and power down. You'll see the program will boot up. You will reset and go to ready condition. This is your main screen that comes up, giving you the software version and what product we're actually working with, which is the XM20. From this point, you'll see down in the lower hand left, there's a run screen, and that'll bring you to basically screen number 1. Screen number 1 allows you to change batch size. These are batching feeders. Right now I'm set at a single count, so every time I cycle I will shoot 1. If I wanted to change that, I would actually hit the batch screen, and I have a flashing 1, which is the current setting, and I can enter in at that point anything I want. I can move to a 3 count at this point. If you draw back and I hit cycle, I get 3 pieces out. Okay, we're moving into screen 2. I want to show screen 2. It's our counters display. I am going to move back to the main screen. As you'll notice, the green button always brings you back to the main screen. I'm going to change its batch size to a 2 so that you can see the changes in this next screen, which is your counters. You have a piece count, which is, it counts every piece that's being produced by this machine. You also have a total piece counter down here, and then a batch counter. Batch counter is going to count each complete set of batches. So for viewing sakes, you'll notice on this right hand side I'm actually clearing those counters. So now if we go back to the run screen, I'm at a batch set of 2. So in theory what should happen is, if I run 1 cycle, my piece count should go 1, 2. My batch count should say I got my first complete batch out. 2 and 1. If I do it again, I have 4 pieces out but 2 batches out. Again, to clear them, it's right up to the right. One thing to note about our feeder and the way the software is written is, if you can zoom in a little bit here, it's a little fuzzy, but I'm just going to show an example of a batch size of 8. Now you can pull back. Here's a complete good cycle. The reason you saw the first one come out at 3 is because I just changed it. Once you change the batch size, it needs to perform 1 cycle. Then it'll actually operate at the new batch setup that you're in. So here we're batching 8. What I wanted to be able to show is, if at any time during the batch there's a stop, you can zoom in here, you'll notice that it's counted 4 of the 8. You have 2 options at this point. For whatever reason the feeder stopped, whatever error condition created the stop, you'll want to correct that error, and at that point I can bring the feeder back online, resize, and it'll finish the actual count. We'll show that again. Here we stopped at 2, fix my error, and I'll finish those out. If it happens where it errors and you do not want to complete it, let's say you're jogging, you're going to jog, fix whatever the error is, you just don't care about that particular set, you can actually then reset it at that point